Bago magsimula ang game, first five, pasok na po tayo. Ang ating second game, Team Asia Warriors versus Tres Marias.
Ikaw, Shetty ka, Shetty.
Joseph Almasan. Di ba number 7 ka? Number 7 ka dito. Joseph Almasan, number 7. Rep technical, delay the game.
gamit mo? May record naman eh. Ano iba sa record namin?
Joseph, mataway.
O teams, may mga earrings, mga ano dyan, may tanggal na, takin, pakiayo, salamat. Tres Marias get the first ball possession. Culpa, Yuga, 3-pointer is good. First 3 points from Yuga. Luciano to Kasabar. Kasabar answers back, no good. Yuga with the rebound. Yuga to Almazan. Almazan from downtown, no good. Mid-range, Postelero, no good. Kanyamo with the rebound. Pass to Luciano. Kahasher. Luciano, hindi naman nagulpa. Pass to Isidro. To Vidal. To Kanyamo. To Kasabar. Kasabar. 3-pointer again. No good. All net. Almazan. To Yuga. Foul number 9. First personal foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Raimundo on the post. Raimundo boarding is good. Great start for Tres Marias. Luciano to Isidro. Isidro to Kanyamo. Kanyamo dribbling. Kanyamo to Luciano. Luciano. Kick out to Isidro, 10 seconds to shoot. Isidro, 3-pointer, no good. Kanyamo with the rebound. Kanyamo, no good. Culpa got the ball. Culpa running. Culpa to Yuga. Yuga, corner. Three, no good. Luciano with the rebound. Luciano running. Luciano living. Luciano still by Yuga. Yuga to Almazan. Almazan to Culpa. Culpa. To Raimundo. Raimundo. Back to Culpa. Culpa. All alone. Good. Swing ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Raimundo to Almazan. Almazan to Culpa. 10 seconds to shoot. Culpa. To Hosteliero. To Almazan. Almazan. No good. Hosteliero with the rebound. Hosteliero. No good. Vidal. Got the ball. To Luciano. Luciano dribbling to the ball. Luciano independent to Culpa. Luciano. To Kasabar. Back to Luciano. Luciano. To Isidro. Isidro. No good. Vidal with the rebound. Vidal. No good. Great deep. Jermaine Hosteliero. Jermaine Hosteliero to Culpa. Culpa. Bringing on the ball. Culpa surveying the deal. Culpa to Jermaine Hosteliero. Jacks up a three. No good. Kanyamo with the rebound. Luciano running. Luciano attacks. Luciano after, no good. Jermaine Hosteliero with the rebound. Jermaine Hosteliero pushing, attacking. Jermaine Hosteliero. Layup is good. 7-0 run for Tres Marias. Luciano to Kasabar. Kasabar all alone. 3-pointer. No good. All net. Yuga with the rebound. DPD situation. Culpa. Di naman naman Luciano. Culpa to Jermaine Hosteliero. Jermaine Hosteliero on the post. Jermaine Hosteliero being menaced but no good. Because with the rebound. Pass to Kanyamo. Kanyamo running. 1v1 situation. Kanyamo. First basket is good, 2 points for Team Asia Warriors. 5-point lead for Tres Marias. Almazan to Yuga. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Raimundo fakes. Raimundo No good. Isidro with the rebound. Pass to Luciano. Luciano running. Luciano stop and shot. Mid-range, so good. Luciano again. Luciano fakes. Luciano on the paint. 2 points. Second chance of a shot is good. 3.8 for Tres Marias. Official score 7-4. Both teams are ready ng second unit. Thank you so much. Culpa, Serenity, Steven Asabar. Luciano got the ball. Luciano to Vidal. Vidal couldn't get the ball. Almazan. Almazan taking the ball. Almazan. Attacks to Raimundo. Raimundo on the paint. No good. Kanya mo yung leader. Rebound. Kanya mo to Vidal. 2v1 situation. Vidal on the paint. No good. Culpa rebound on the ball. Culpa running. Culpa to Almazan. Almazan. No good. Almazan get the ball again. Almazan keep pass to Jumeno Celiano. Jumeno Celiano got fouled. Both teams change fight. Foul number 8. First personal foul. Second team foul. Change fight. 2 shots for Jermaine Hosteliero. First free throw is good for Jermaine Hosteliero. Second free throw is good for Hosteliero. Jay Santos. Bringing the ball to Papu. Papu, back to Jay Santos to Badong. Badong, jumper. No good. Arroyo with the rebound. Arroyo running. Arroyo dribbling. Arroyo to Arroyo. Still by Jay Santos. 3v2 situation. Papu, 2 points. Assist by Jay Santos. Almazan. To Shiro Hosteliero. Shiro Hosteliero attacking. Shiro Hosteliero no good. Badong with a rebound. Badong running. Badong attacks. Badong 1-2. Get fouled. Rep, who's foul rep? Last foul, sorry. Foul number 2. First personal foul. First team foul. Back to the ball game. Two shots for Batong. First free throw is good for Badong. Second free throw is good for Badong. Almazan, good Shiro Hosteliero. Too much force on the pass. Turn over Shiro Hosteliero. Team Asia Warriors ball. 1.8 for Tres Marias. Salazar, Jackson Batay, no good. Same ball. Official score 9-8. Still in favor of Tres Marias. Domagos to Jay Santos. Back to Domagos to Jay Santos. Jay Santos dribbling. 5 seconds to shoot. Papu Lodi. Asia got the first lead by 1 point. Steal by Jay Santos. Jay Santos to number 9. Papu. Back to Jay Santos. Jay Santos. Oh. Loose ball. 2-point lead for Asia Warriors. Siya sa iyo, Almazan. Almazan din naman po kay Santos. Almazan din yung double team pass to Shiro Celiero. Shiro Celiero, Arroyo. Almazan. Jumper Almazan. No good. Papo with the rebound. Papo running. Papo dribbling na the ball. Papu to Jay Santos. Jay Santos back to Papu. Papu from downtown again. Bang! 3 points for Papu. Thank to Shiro Celiero. TV to si Joy Steele by Papu. Papu leading. Papu running. Papu to Jay Santos. Jay Santos to Papu again. Papu Jay Santos. Jay Santos to the corner. No good. Divided by Arroyo. Big double team pass to Fred Arroyo. Steal by Jay Santos. Jay Santos to Papu. Papu to Pagong. Pagong. Good points. Time out. Tres Marias. Seven-point lead for the Asia Warriors. Back to the ball game. Almazan, hindi ko na Papu. Papu to Shiro Celiero. Shiro Celiero, hindi ko na yung Salazar. Shiro being double team, triple team, steal. Jay Santos to Jay Santos. Jay Santos, layup is good. 2 points. Foul number 30, first personal foul. 13 foul. Shiro Celiero back to Almazan. Almazan to Tracy. Tracy to Pep Arroyo. Pep Arroyo pinagaling by Domagos. Deep pass. Tracy to Shiro Celiero. 5 seconds to shoot. They forced a shot clock violation. Great D. Then Asia Warriors ball. Papu to Salazar to Padong. Padong back to Salazar. Salazar. Giving is good. Papu with the steal. Papu attacks to Jay Santos. Jay Santos jumper. Jay Santos the ball. Asia Warriors got their momentum. Foul number 3. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Asia Warriors. Bench ng Asia Warriors. Pupo kayo. Almazan to Pep Arroyo. Pep Arroyo, let the ball. Pep Arroyo to April Arroyo. Arroyo, the point no good. Papu, let the ball. To Domagos. Domagos to Jay Santos. 2 points. Biggest lead for the Asia Warriors. Tracy, hindi na by Salazar. Tracy to Almazan. 14 seconds to shoot. Almazan, jumper, no good. Domagos in the ball, pass to Papu. Papu running. Papu attacks. Papu, no good. Almazan 5 seconds.
Ops! Ops, ikaw na dito.
End of the first quarter.
Ikaw na. Mama, hindi mo na naman.
Our official score, Team Asia 24, Tres Marias 9. Still in favor of Team Asia Warriors.
Ikaw na muna.
Bakit?
Mama, hindi na naman ito magkagin.
15-point lead for Team Asia Warriors. Biggest lead in this game.
Pili tayo, pipili kami. Pili. Reach! Reach! Kapasyo muna. Para mo kami. Pili kami. Pili kami. Mas bawal.
Ba't nalaro ka na ba eh? Gusto ko ba pumasok ka dyan? Hindi ka lang dapat kasi.
Carol, dito yung pasok nyo. Carol! Dito yung pasok nyo.
Eric.
Cervantes to Padayuman to Espina. Espina to Kanyamo. Kanyamo. Attacking. Turnover.
Round to bed, ganun ka rin.
Wala, bakit? Ayun ba? Referee yan.
Lance ko ngayon, lance ko.
Umali. Catch up and three. No good. Kanyamo with the rebound. Kanyamo. Running. Kanyamo to Villanueva. Still by Ku. Ku running. Ku. 1-2 lane. No good. Raimundo with the rebound. Raimundo to Umali. Umali on the pin. Umali reverse lane. No good. With the foul.
Bangus! Bangus! Bangus!
Bangus.
Yoy! Yoy!
Push foul. Foul number 4, first personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Omali. First free throw is good for Omali. Second free throw na good for Omali. Bigyan na mabigay na yun kay Omali. Tres Marias foul. 14-point lead for Penesia Warriors. Umali to Beltran. Erwin Beltran. Just on the three, no good. Kanyamo with the rebound. Kanyamo running. Kanyamo being defended by Raimundo. Kanyamo to Espina. 14 seconds to shoot. Espina. Padayuman to Villanueva. 10 seconds to shoot. Kanyamo. No good. Ku with the rebound. Ku running. 3v3 situation. Ku attacks. Ku layup. With a foul. Foul number 15. First personal foul. Second team foul. Timeout. Team Asia Warriors. Two shots for Ku.
Box! Box! Box!
Boss, dito is good for two. Sorry. Espina. Dinugado ko Mali. Pass to Cervantes. To Espina again. 14 seconds on the shot clock. To Kanyamo to Padayuman. Back to Espina. 10 seconds to shoot. Espina to Cervantes. Paraboling violation. Raimundo brings down the ball. Calvin Raimundo. Deep pass. Kanyamo. Great hustle. Cervantes got the ball. Cervantes. Turnover again. West Maria's ball. Evan Beltran to Calvin Raimundo. To Ku. Running. Attacking. Blocked by Kanyamo. Great D for Kanyamo. 14 seconds on the clock. To Umali. 2 points. Umali. Kanyamo dribbling. Kanyamo to Espina. Espina to Villanueva. Deep pass. Calvin Raimundo got the ball. Wide open lane. Lay up the wood. Villanueva to Espina. Floater. Espina is good. 2 points. Ku running. Ku dribbling. Ku will attack. Ku. Foul number 15, second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots for two. First free throw is good for 2.
Box!
Second free throw is good for 2. Espina. Villanueva. Upas. Ermoli got the ball. Ermoli. Let's see it for Ermoli. Tres Marias. Ball again. Calvin Raimundo by Erwin Beltran. Beltran to Ermoli. Ermoli attacking. Ermoli. No good. Kanyamo. Traveling violation. Seven-point lead. Ermoli, airball. Calvin Raimundo to Ku. 3-pointer is good for 2. 4-point lead for the Asia Warriors. Espina. Dribbling. Same ball. Both teams are ready. Second unit. Bench po ng both teams. So po tayo. Thank you so much. 14 seconds in the shot clock. Kanyamo to Cervantes. No good. Cervantes to the ball again. Block by Ermoli. Padayuman. 10 seconds to shoot. Padayuman to Kanyamo jumper. Lefty jumper no good. With the rebound. Kanyamo get the ball again. Kanyamo 2 points is good. Running. 4v2 to Umali. Barking is good. Change 5. Four-point lead for Venetia Warriors. Change 5. First 5 po ng Tres Marias. First 5. First 5 po. Pasok. First 5. Luciano, Isidro, back to Luciano. Luciano will fire! Luciano, 3 points to Hampstead. Kulpa, bring down the ball. Kulpa, sa penalty pass to Yuga. Yuga back to Kulpa. Kulpa to Jumaine Aceliero. Jumaine Aceliero spins on the paint. Posteliero, 2 points with a foul. Foul number 5, the first personal foul. Warning for penalty in Asia Warriors. Bonus free throw for Hostelero. Bonus free throw for Hostelero. Luciano to Badong. Badong running. Badong! No good. Jumaine Hostelero with the rebound. Jumaine Hostelero running. Jumaine Hostelero with attack. Jumaine Hostelero. 2 points. Using his height and strength to dish out the lead. Luciano. 14 seconds to shoot. Luciano to Isidro. To Vidal. Vidal, mid-range. No good. Shiro Hostelero with the rebound. Pass to Jumaine Hostelero. Jumaine Hostelero bring on the ball. To Kulpa. Kulpa. To Shiro Hostelero. Shiro Hostelero versus Casaban. Back to Kulpa. Kulpa, long way. No good. Isidro with the ball. Pass to Luciano. Luciano running. Luciano to Vidal. Too much force on the pass. Vidal couldn't catch it. Tres Marias ball. 3-point lead for the Asia Warriors. Official score, 31-28. Almazan, catch out of 3. It's good for Almazan. Tie game. Luciano. Luciano, jumper, floater. No good. Luciano again with the rebound. Luciano, bahala na. 2 points. It's good for Luciano. Kulpa. To Jumaine Hostelero versus Luciano. Luciano. Luciano couldn't defend the play. 2 points for Hostelero. Luciano. Oh, bro. Tres Marias, boy. Kulpa. To Almazan. Almazan just on the play again. Almazan, 3. Tres Marias got their second lead by 3 points. Foul number 0, first personal foul. First team foul. Isidro to Luciano. 14 seconds of shot clock. Isidro wants a 3-pointer. Yes! 3 points for Isidro. Kulpa. Serenity. Kulpa to Yuga. Yuga back to Kulpa. Kulpa to Yuga again. Tip. Yuga get the ball. Yuga to Shiro Hostelero. Tarabiling ka, manok. Hindi na ilabas ang espada. Kasabar. Bring on the ball. Kasabar to Luciano. Luciano. To Vidal. No good. Jumaine Hostelero with the rebound. Jumaine Hostelero. Dribbling. Foul number 9. Second personal foul. Penalty. Penalty. 2 shots for Jumaine Hostelero. Number 9, second personal foul. Penalty. First free throw is good for Jumaine Hostelero. Second free throw is good for Jumaine Hostelero. Vidal to Badong. Badong. Luciano, 14 seconds to shoot. Luciano Floater. Para siya magunan masakit lang ng Ulpa. Ulpa wide open lane. Easy 2 points for Ulpa. Tres Marias got the lead. 2-point lead. Official score, 40-36. Vidal. Siya sa yara ng rebound. Joy nasa yara running. Blocked by Luciano. Great D for Luciano. Correction, 4-point lead for Tres Marias. Siya sa yara ng Almazan. Almazan, Casa Maria again. Almazan, 3 points again. Luciano. To Isidro. Isidro answers back with a 3-point of his own. Culpa. 20 seconds. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Almazan! 3-point again! Almazan! 3 seconds! End of our first half. Tres Marias got the lead. Official score Culpa. To Almazan. Almazan fakes. Back to Culpa. Culpa. To Cool. To Umali. Umali. Jack on the three. No good. Kicked. Almazan get the ball. Almazan to Culpa. Culpa Jack on the three. Culpa three. Suddenly, a change of momentum. Tres Marias got the momentum kay Santos. To Papu, to Badong. Badong jumper, mid-range, no good. Two with the rebound. Two to Almazan. Almazan. To Two attacking. Two. A menace to points. Papu to Luciano. Luciano just at the three. It's good for Luciano. A hamster. Culpa. To Benedict. To Umali. Umali, di ganun na batong. Back to Culpa. To Umali again. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Jumena Celiano versus Luciano. Jumena Celiano. Blocked by Luciano. Batong. Dribbling na the ball. Foul number 0. Second personal foul. First team foul. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Jay Santos to Kanyamo. 10 seconds to shoot. Kanyamo, jumper. No good. Cool with the rebound. Cool running. Cool. To Jumena Stallero. To Culpa. Culpa, long three. Culpa. This is it. 3 points for Culpa. Luciano. Answers back. No good. Cool with the rebound. Cool. Tipped. Umali ka na ball. Umali dribbling. Back to Cool. Cool to Culpa. Showtime. 2 points for Culpa. Assist by Cool. Papu. Papu. Papu attacks. Papu. What happened? Kanyamo with a putback. 2 points. Umali. Umali. Attacking. Umali. Block by Kanyamo. They castle. Culpa. Culpa no good. Papu. Running. To Luciano. Luciano will attack. Luciano, 1, 2. Reverse leg. No good. Padong. With the ribbon. Padong. That block. Ang saan get the ball pa sa Culpa. Culpa running. Foul number 30. Second personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. Cool. Still, Jay Santos with the ball. Jay Santos to Papu. Papu versus Culpa to Jay Santos. Jay Santos, what a play! 2 points for Jay Santos. 10-point lead for Tres Marias. Almazan to Umali. Umali din doon na Kanyamo. Umali running. Umali will attack. Umali lays good 2 points. Jay Santos to Luciano. Luciano, 2-pointer. No good. 2 with the rebound. 2 to Almazan. Almazan, easy 2 points. Almazan. Birthday happy. Papu. Long three, Papu. No good. Umali with the rebound. Umali. To Ermoli! Ermoli! 2 points! Chipong Lim! Luciano. 1, 2. Luciano floater. No good. Two with the rebound again. Two. Running. Two with the attack. To Culpa. Culpa. Lays. Good. 2 points for Culpa. Great assist for two.
Ano? Ito, hindi ito. Labang ko yun. Papo.
Jay Santos to Papu. Papu. All alone. No good. Rebounded by two again. To Kulpa. Kulpa running. Waiting for his teammate. Kulpa, surveying the deep. Kulpa to Kul. Kul to Ermoli. Ermoli fakes. Ermoli attacks. Ermoli versus Luciano. Ermoli to Umali. Umali fakes. Umali. Great move. 2 points for Umali. Kanyamo running. Kanyamo. With attack. Kanyamo to Luciano. Marami din violation. Substitution. Point lead for Tres Marias. Official scores 66-46. To Umali. Jackson McGray. Umali. Three. Luciano running. Luciano with attacks. Luciano 2 points. Hugo back to Kul. Kul being defended by Luciano. Kul to Umali. 14 seconds to shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Umali to Kul. Kul Jackson Green. No good. Kul pa got the ball. Kul pa the Mighty Mouse. To Kul. Nice pass. 2 points. Where's the D? Luciano attacking again. Luciano 2 points. Yuga running. Tito situation. Yuga kick out to Kul. Kul spins. Kul attacks. Kul no good. Break deep by the Bagos. Pay Santos got the ball. Pass to Badong. Badong. Gusto ball. Badong got the ball again. Kanyamo. Kanyamo. Easy 2 points for Kanyamo. Umali. Dribbling on the ball. Umali being defended with Badong. Umali. Umali attacks. Kick out to Yuga. Yuga with attack. 1-2. Foul. Foul number 99. First personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution. 2 shots for Yuga. First free throw no good for Yuga. Both free throws no good for Yuga. Luciano. 3-pointer. Bitan with the rebound. Bitan to Jay Santos. Jay Santos will attack. Jay Santos! Great move. 2 points. Kulpa being defended by Domagos. Kulpa dribbling. 14 seconds to shoot. Kulpa. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Kulpa to Shiros Teyato. Ermoli from the heart. 2 points for Molly keep on rim. The Conqueror. Domagos to Jay Santos. Jay Santos. Ito. Badong. To Jay Santos again. 14 seconds to shoot. Luciano. To Badong. Badong to Domagos. Domagos. Blocked. And ooh. Ilan the ball. Vidal. Mid-range. Is good for Vidal. 2 points for Vidal. Kulpa. Dribbling. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Kul. With attacks. Kul. To Shiro Seliano. 5 seconds to shoot. Force shot clock violation. Great deal for Great Asia Warriors.
Sub ka.
Jay Santos. Pinaka. Block by Yuga. Luciano gonna ball. Luciano with attack. 1, 2. Luciano. Counter. No good. But got fouled. Foul number 6. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for Luciano. First free throw is good for Luciano. Once again, our next game, Bratello versus Blue Ridge. Both free throws are good for Luciano. Calvin Raimundo. Dribbling, leading na ito Domanos. Foul number 27. First personal foul. Third team foul. Calvin Raimundo to go.
Wala, ball screen.
Go, pinigyan na rin Luciano. Go, dribbling. Go. No good. To the Asia Warriors ball. Jay Santos pinigyan na rin ng mundo. Pas to Luciano. Luciano to Papu. Papu to Jay Santos. Jay Santos to Luciano to Vidal. Vidal! Block by Hermoni. By Padilla pa. Chibong Lim. The Congo Nation. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Jay Santos to Luciano. Luciano. Board break is good for Luciano. 13-point lead for Tres Marias. Almazan. Good. Block by Vidal. Great block to Papu. Papu. Leaving the foul. 2 points. Papu. Foul number 4. First personal foul. Third team foul. Timeout called. Tres Marias. Bonus free throw for Papu. Back to the ball. Bonus free throw no good for Papu. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. End of the third quarter. Official score 73-62. 11-point lead for Tres Marias. We are heading to the final quarter. Start of the final quarter. Jay Santos to Papu. Papu. Tip pass. Jay Santos to Luciano. Luciano. Back to Jay Santos. Jay Santos. Cast up a three. No good. Rebounded by Pepa Hoyo. Foul number 5. Second personal foul number 5. First team foul. Ulpa pindutin na kay Papu. Foul number 30. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Tumaynas ni Lera Tukul. Tumali. Tumali pa sa final. Umali! 2 points. Great move. Jay Santos. To Luciano. Luciano! Good again. Tres Marias ball. Culpa. Griffin. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Culpa, no good. Pilinueva, Pilinueva, Pilinueva. Oh! Same ball. Two to Culpa. 10 seconds of the shot clock. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Cool. Boarding, no good. Luciano with the rebound. Luciano to Papu. 3-3 situation. Papu. Tres Marias ball. Tres Marias ball.
Over technical na yan.
Okay lang. Red, dito kayo na rin.
Kuha mo sa sapatos.
Tapos tingnan mo, bobo ah. Eh. Okay. Ito ba kayo out of now?
Remember, double technical tayo doon ha. Out of the playing court.
Number 30. Double technical. Out of the playing court. Two technical free throws is good for Cool. Culpa. Juvenil Celiano. Juvenil Celiano at the ring. Traveling violation. Luciano. Hilata. Luciano. 2 points. No good. Foul number 21, first personal foul. 2 shots for Luciano. First free throw is good for Luciano. Both free throws are good for Luciano. Pauli. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Cool. Catch number 3. Good. Pin Asia Warriors ball. Luciano. Foul number 23. First personal foul. Second team foul. Eighteen seconds on the shot clock. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Badong. To Luciano again. Luciano. No good. Tres Marias ball. Two. To Jumenas Valero. Jumenas Valero to two. 14 to shoot. Good pa. Three-pointer. No good. Luciano to Jay Santos. Jay Santos back to Luciano. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Luciano to Jay Santos. Corner, three-pointer. No good. Jumenas Valero with the rebound. Cool pass to Cool. Cool. Will attack. Cool spins. Cool. Blocked by Luciano. Tres Marias ball. Luciano. Too much height on the pass. Official score 77-64. Still in favor of Tres Marias. Culpa. To Jumenas Valero. 10 seconds to shoot. Posteliero with attack. Posteliero. 2 points. Using his height to convert the two. Luciano with attack. Luciano. No good. Vidal with the rebound. Vidal to Padong. Padong back to Vidal. Vidal mid-range. No good. Umali got the ball. Umali to Gu. Gu with attack. Gu. Get fouled. Foul number 5. Third personal foul. Penalty. Timeout. Asia Warriors. Official score again. 79-64. Time remaining 5 minutes. Back to the ball game.
Yung Paulo.
Opo. Kulay-pula. Pag nagpula na po.
First play call is good for 2. Second free throw is good for 2. Both free throws are good. Jay Santos to Luciano. Luciano jacks up along. Luciano by 3. Cool. To Jumenas Valero. Tipped. Good pa back to Cool. Cool. Answers. No good. Foul number 12. First personal foul. Third team foul. Jay Santos to Luciano. Luciano being defended by Umali. Pass to Jay Santos again. Jay Santos will attack. Jay Santos kick out to Luciano. Luciano! 2-pointers. Good for Luciano. 11-point lead for Tres Marias. 14 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Culpa to Umali. Umali no good. Jay Santos with the rebound. Jay Santos to Luciano. Luciano to Jay Santos again. Jay Santos will attack. Great D for Feb Arroyo. Umali running. Umali spins. Umali fakes. Umali bumps. Umali. Great move. Great shot for Umali. 2 points. Jay Santos here. Surveying the lead for Luciano. Luciano jacks up again. In. Luciano 3 points again. 11-point lead for Tres Marias. Official score 83-72. Culpa. Perdón. Jimenez Ayala sa final. Jermaine spins. Jermaine no good. Jay Santos rebound to Luciano. Luciano will attack. Foul number 21. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Tres Marias. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Kanyamo to Luciano. Luciano being defended by Culpa. 14 to shoot. Jay Santos. Corner to Ray. No good. Good. To Culpa. To Umali. To Umali. Basket count. Goaltending. 13-point lead for Tres Marias. Luciano being defended by Culpa. Luciano will attack. Luciano, great D for Tres Marias. 2 runs. Good to Umali. Too much force on the pass. Asia Warriors ball. Jay Santos dribbling on the ball. Jay Santos to Badong. Badong. It is good. Badong. 11-point lead again for Tres Marias. And the shoot. Penalty. Foul number 99. Second personal foul. Penalty. 2 shots for Umali. First free throw, no good for Umali. Second free throw is good for Umali. Last 2 minutes. Luciano to Dumanos. Tres Marias ball. Once again, our next game, Pumatello versus Blue Bulls. Culpa bringing down the ball. Culpa being defended by Domagos. 14 to shoot. Umali, Kuku, 2 points with a foul. Number 99, third personal foul. Penalty. Bonus free throw for Ku. Bonus free throw is good for Ku. Jay Santos to Luciano. Luciano! No good. Rumena Sellero with a rebound. Culpa to Jumena Sellero. Jumena Sellero to Ku. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Luna, Mingling is good. Final minute of the last quarter. Jay Santos fakes to Luciano. Luciano, easy 2 points. Great pass for Jay Santos. 2. To Umali. Umali attacks. Umali is good. Joel Acelero with a steal. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation. Remaining time 21 seconds. Official score 93-76. Luciano Jackson McRae. No good. Jay Santos got the ball. Jay Santos no good. End of the ball game. Our final score 93-76.